Good morning, guys. I'll be with you in 5 minutes. Right, let's get started. Good morning, guys. Does anybody know if I can fix the delay? Let me know if they do know if I can fix the delay on this, because it's kind of annoying. Morning, guys. Good afternoon, everyone. Take your time. Take your time. Ace hand today. Let's go. What do you think of QSG? QSG is just literally consolidating. There's nothing going on with this at all. Nothing going with QSG. I would wait for around 210 break to look for entries. Nothing on this though, unfortunately. Right here, let's get started. I'm going to go through Twitter, guys, and then you can post some tickets here as much as you, or just do obviously one per person. And then once I get done with Twitter, I'll go over to the YouTube. So just bear with me. I'll go over some here. Let's see. SPWR, I've posted that around already. Star had a steady uptrend. Ruben, I don't know if you're in here, bro, but I posted it already on Twitter. Kit BGXX. Let's have a look at BGXX. BGXX, extremely low volume. So all you need to do is, same thing as always, downtrend break, you can enter the trade. No downtrend break equals no trade. It's literally that simple. So wait for downtrend break. So you'll see a lot of times when people request for tickers, all I will do is, all I will simply do is, I will just mention and tell you, if it's in the downtrend, you just have to wait for the break above. That's it. If it does that, then you can look for entries. But most of the time people ask me for bearish charts, but I just give my opinion and make it very simple. If it breaks above the downtrend, that is when you can look for possible entries. Akin does look good. It ran earlier, I saw it. But yeah, you need, where is this level? Your main resistance is 305. That's your big resistance level here. Because look, every time it gets to 305, there's a rejection once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. That is a strong area of resistance. Therefore, you should not be trying to buy into resistance. When do you buy? Everyone's going to ask. You buy when there is a confirmation of a breakout, meaning a candle closes above 305, closes above, not wicks, closes above, then you can look for your entry. So wait for close above 305 to enter, right? If it doesn't close above 305, you do not enter. Remember, trading is all about patience. Patience. Don't try and guess and gamble, because that's where you lose. Everyone can guess and gamble. MITQ. Post this earlier, but I'll do it again. Needs 0.730. When I say it needs something, it means that it needs to close above. Right, let me check and see what's happening. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, morning, morning. TNT Digital Systems. Good morning. Can you look at Sage? I just saw this ran earlier, and then I don't know what's happening with it. Let's see. Yeah, it's back down. There's nothing on this, to be honest. I saw it up here. This was the next resistance level at $23, but it looks like a pump and dump. I don't know anything about this. If you are trying to look for an entry, which I'm assuming, or if you are in, you should be out already. You should cut your losses at 3 to 5%. But if you are trying to enter, 1150 is where you could look for entries. That's how I do it. BGXX, I just went over it. I hope you saw it. Zcar actually looked alright. I saw the 1 hour chart earlier. It was here. Sorry, 4 hour. So this is expected to break out. It's not that clean of a falling wedge, but well, it is. It's okay, actually. You can do it like this. Yeah, you want it a little bit more, but that's kind of what you have. BGXX. So if you break above this level, if you break out of this, you have room to 0.18 and then literally room to 0.2. But it needs some volume. It needs some volume. What's your thoughts on everyone game? It's sketchy. I avoid it. Dawson, I make it very easy for myself to trade. If everyone's talking about it, it doesn't mean it's always going to run, right? People waste their time on Friday. What happened on Friday? It actually finished closed lower, right? Then everyone thought it was going to run and go crazy. For me, I avoid the meme stocks. I don't care about them. I've traded them more than enough times to know that it's a waste of time, right? They go up and they go down. They go up and they go down. It's all a lot of pump and dump BS. You got to be in early before everyone else, right? There is no technical analysis towards any of that stuff. It's simply just getting pumped all over the internet. If you want to trade like that, that's fine. But for me, I literally just share charts that are based on technical analysis, meaning the probability of stocks going on technical analysis is a lot higher than someone going a pump and a dump, right? So GameStop, meme stocks, all of them, I'm not interested at all, to be honest. If it was you, to make yourself easy and save yourself time and money, just avoid them. If you want to take it, maybe take a small position, but I wouldn't be trading based on all the speculation stuff. Of course, it can run to whatever $1,000 or whatever people think, but maybe you'll be waiting a few years. You might not be alive by then. Who knows, you know? So, in my opinion, just make it easy. Focus on the movers. The movers are all the top gainers. Very easy to do that. KXIN. Yeah, this was crazy. KXIN's easy setup right now. This is the easiest trade you can take. All you have to do is use the time frame. The downtrend. If it closes above the downtrend, you can enter the trade. Do not try and enter now because that means you're gambling. You might as well go to the casino, right? That's not trading. That is gambling. Wait for downtrend break. This is on the 1 minute chart. Why? Because it's strong, it has a lot of volume, it's very volatile, right? So it can give you enough confirmation if it closes above. Probability of it going up is higher. Yes, you can wait on the 5 minute and wait for that closure above, but you might not get enough time to enter and it will probably already run. So make it easy for yourself. Simply use the 1 minute. If you get a close above the downtrend, then you can look for the entry. The downtrend close could be here, it could be here, it could be all the way down here. Just wait for it. That's it. All right. OPTT. Someone asked me to look at that earlier. Don't tell me it's running. Let's see. Oh yeah, OPTT 0.2. 0.205. You can move it to here if you want. 0.2. Big resistance here. 0.2. It looks like it is curling, but for me, just for confirmation, I'd wait for that 0.2. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, good morning, good morning. PCSA, that's a former runner or just a stock? Sounds familiar. Up 16%. Is it running? Yeah, we'll keep it on the watch list. PCSA, keep it on the watch list. Keep it on the watch list. PCSA, nothing on this right now. I would wait for 205. Breaks above 205. Trying to enter in a range when it's consolidating is very difficult. TPET. Where is that thing? I just had it on my watch list. Yeah, TPET is very bullish, but it is under $1. That's the issue. But yeah, it's breaking this level. Look, I mentioned room to 0.35, and your next resistance level is 0.41. High probability to get to 0.41. It should get there. It should get to 0.41. Yeah, TPT is crazy. Maybe TTT. CYN. CYN's right here. CYN on the 5 minutes, you just have to wait for this downtrend break at the moment. But larger time frame, it looks good. It's broken out, so should expect continuation. OPTT is a dead stock, yeah. Huda, yeah, Huda's nothing, bro. Sorry, Adam. Do you ever do live trading? I do live trading every single day in the Discord, brother. Every single day, Nathan. Tiger, my man, not trying to be a pain. We're not sure anyone's mentioned this previously, but by any chance you increase the volume. Hello. To increase the volume. Hello, let me see. How do I do this? Add filter, maybe. Give me a sec. Maybe gain. Hello. Is that better? Let me know if that's better. Hello. But otherwise, I think just turning up the volume might work. Hopefully. But it should be fine. Yeah, it should be fine. Lol, that worked. Maybe just getting close to it. Yes, okay. Yeah, I turned up. I put on a filter called gain. So I just put it up. RNEB. Sorry. This one stopped me out earlier and then I got it. Finally, you're good. Okay, cool. RenB, why is it not here? Oh, here it is. RenB's up 6%. The volume's not really there, to be honest. I would just make it very easy for myself. Pretty much it is 175 I would use as area of resistance. If it breaks above 1.75, you could look for entries. Other than that, I wouldn't be interested because there's a lot of area of resistance here. So if it closes above, you have clean range all the way to 193, which is like, what, like 8%. So RenB can wait for, RenB needs 1.75 break above, right? So just wait for 1.75, put an alert or whatever you need to do for that, all right? KW is pushing to 1. Let me have a look at this thing. Yeah, KW is looking great. I gave this in the Discord. I don't know if anyone's still in it. I sold before 8 a.m. sadly, but if anyone did still hold some Discord, well done. SCPX. What's happening with SCPX? Looks like it's trying to break out. It's in a falling wedge. Demand zone looks good. Your next resistance is around here. What is this? 0.12. 0.12. Kraken. People are still talking about this one. Nothing on Kraken, unfortunately. Wait for the downtrend break above. Like 0.1 maybe, around there. You're good, no worries. What are your returns for the year? If you want to know what my win rate is and all the trades that I've taken, everything is in the Discord, brother. I aim for 1% a day, 5% a week, 20% a month. So I average around 15 to 20% ROI. That's what I am averaging. You're good. VHAI. Guys, people are obsessed with VHAI. I don't know what on earth there is, but there's a huge cult on the stock. There is absolutely nothing going on. People need to just look at this chart, right, and save it, how this looks, and just know what's going on. You can see there's nothing going on. Yesterday, it pretty much closed even. Now it's up 5%. There's nothing going on. It's in the demand zone. That is it right now. That's a demand zone where buyers step in. But at the moment, there is nothing going on. There's no trend. It's literally just, look, trading in a range. It's consolidating. Nothing. Right? So, unfortunately, nothing is going on VHAI. Nothing. Thanks. What about NDRA? NDRA is trying to break this downtrend. It's up 3%. This is a former runner. You have your demand zone around here as well. Let me have a look at this. Give me a second. Demand zone. I would wait for this downtrend break. I mean, it looks like it's trying to break the downtrend here. Look, like this. If I was to do it accurately, like this. Like that. So it looks like it, but your main resistance is here. 1.25. 0.125, you know? When you are charting trends, do you ignore wicks? Sometimes I do, yeah. But the overall thing, what I'm trying to show you guys when I do technical analysis, technically speaking, you shouldn't go through wicks. It's not that big of a deal, but you definitely shouldn't be going through candles like this, right? But the reason why this is going through a candle now is because it's clearly breaking through. But this is like correct technical analysis. Look, you have the wick here. It's showing the trend. You're respecting the wicks. You can, it's not the end of the world if you go through the wicks like this, okay? But if you want to make it a clean chart, right, you can have it like this, but don't go through candles. But this is obviously breaking, so it's a different scenario, okay? You know, so it just really does depend on what the current chart is. But you can see here, yes, this is going through a candle, but it's because it's breaking through this pattern, meaning there is a high probability if it closes like this, it'll go up. So don't go through candles. That's it. Just don't draw through candles. Like, yeah, that's it. I just would say. But going through wicks isn't the biggest deal. That's all. Thanks, man. No problem. Pixie's sadly not doing much. If you want to try and get in Pixie, you could. I would just have a stop loss like under here. What is this? Like 180 stop loss. But it's just been coming down, down, down. See, like for technical purposes, look, I'm just going straight through all this because it doesn't matter if you go through these wicks, okay, but I'm just trying to get, the idea is, right, to get a strong area of support, resistance, or basically chart pattern, it's very simple. The more touches there is, okay, like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, more touches is, the strong area of support or resistance. But if you just have one touch like this, where there's only one touch right there, that shows an area, a weak area of support resistance, right? So you want to try and get as many touches as you can without going through like all these candles, right? Like this. This is not correct. To draw it like this, to go through all these candles, right? That's not correct. You're going through all of this when, if you try and make it accurate, right? You can see what's going on. It is getting almost touches and also trying to make a clean setup, right? I hope that helps. Tel's, yeah, Tel's okay. I have it on a larger time frame setup. It's very bullish. The overall chart's very bullish. Look, 0.86. Yeah, this thing's insane. Very, very bullish chart. It looks good. I like it. I like it. Tail climbing. SQ block, please. No problem. Since you said please, probably the first of the day, I really appreciate that. Great manners. Your parents brought you up very well. No kidding. Maybe it's starting to make higher lows, high highs, higher lows. Like this, and now maybe comes, and hopefully it'll go up. So maybe we can predict this to do this. Yep. Right, that's what I have. You have it. Yeah, last week was fantastic. Last week we had a 92% win rate. We had a total of 12 trades, 11 green, 1 was red. Most profitable trade was 27%. Largest loss was 3%. So yeah, last week was fantastic. Only 1 red trade last week out of 11. That is on alerts that I gave. On your yeah, I know, bro. I get asked the same tickets all the time, especially when I explain it. TPET's going. Where's it going, brother? Where is it going to? 0.5 is your next resistance. Who got in this thing when I said it'll go? Well done. I think Rochelle, did you ask about this? I think it was. Someone asked about it. Yeah, this 0.5 is your huge resistance level. This is a huge level. Look at this. See this? If you break above this, you're going all the way to 0.6. Seriously. What a move on TPT. Congrats if you guys are in this. This is extremely bullish. This 4 hours is insane. This should get to maybe $1. Maybe. What a move on TPT. What a move. I'm not in this trade. I'm not in the stock. Just to clarify, guys, just because I'm posting charts on Twitter, it does not mean I'm in the stock. I hope that helps. Tail resistance. Thank you for answering my question. No problem, Nathan, brother. No problem. Yeah, Nathan, I'm very realistic when I trade and teach people and the members in Discord. I don't bullshit, and I don't tell them, guys, we're here to make $100 a day or 100% a day, or we're going to triple our count next week, all that. It's not that BS. I'm realistic. I show every single trade I have. They can see it there. I win, I lose, I have shit weeks, I have shit months. It's normal. Part of trading, right? No one's perfect. That is why I think we have a very good retention rate and members enjoy it, because they can see how realistic it is. I don't promote the Discord much on Twitter because I just don't really need to. I mention on here because there's a bigger audience and it's easier to just explain it when there's a lot of people, so I don't have to answer all the questions. But the Discord speaks for itself, in my opinion. People can't pay $80. They can't pay $80. It's up to them. Spend a lot of our time, both of us, myself and Hassie, in the Discord. We're pretty much active basically 24/7. And we do live training every day, live seminars. We show you why we get in trades. We teach our strategy. We give you everything you really need. It's just really up to you, following a risk management strategy, all those kind of things. Giving the alerts is just a big bonus for everyone, right? But most people, Discords who've been there for a few months, pretty much know how we trade. I can pretty much leave them to trade by themselves, and they know what to do, what setups to take. It just really comes down to risk management when people become traders and not make it, in my opinion, because everyone can trade any strategy. You can tell them what to do, but if they can't control their emotions and follow a simple stop loss, then it all goes wrong, right? But yeah, I simply, like I was referring back to, is I'm very realistic, and I tell the members 1% a day on your account is all you need. 5% a week, 20% a month. 20% ROI on any account is absolutely fantastic, right? Whether you got $100 in your account or $1 million. That's the way I do it. Anyways. Took 20. Wow, Rochelle, that's insane. Congrats. Very nice. That must have moved a lot quicker than you thought as well. KWE. What's happening with KWE? KWE looks great. Any members from the Discord still in this? I sold it before 8 a.m. candles. But yeah, it's breaking out. You have this wick fill at 110. You should get there in the next couple of minutes. 110 wick fill, and then you literally have, where's your next resistance? Over here. So these are realistic levels, guys. These are not holding for 20, 30%. And then what's this 130? Yeah, around here. These are your next levels on KXI. I don't know if anyone did hold this in the Discord, but yeah, well done if you guys did. KW Kit. Everyone loves Kit. Kit was an insane move. Kit, there's nothing. Here's a simple chart. Very simple and easy to trade this. Everyone can trade this by themselves. All right? It's very simple. Who knows what you need to do to trade Kit? I know this is in delay, so you guys may take a little bit of time to answer this, but if someone can respond and ask, what do you need to do for Kit and when will you enter Kit? Let's see if anyone can remember. I'll wait on here so long. So let's see who can explain to me. If you are trying to buy Kit, where are you looking to buy the trade? Are you trying to buy it now? Are you trying to wait for the downtrend break? What are you trying to do on this? So let me know. Let's see. Let's see. Who's going to be the winner? Okay, so correct. So you need the downtrend break, right? But what confirms a downtrend break? There we go. G money. G money. That is why your name is G money. Because you are correct. You guys were correct. Yes, all you guys were correct. Wait for downtrend break, all that. The key is, guys, you need to wait for the candle to close above the downtrend, right? Look here. This is not a candle break above. This is a wick, right? If the stock broke above like this, that is a candle closure. That confirms that there is a trend reversal. However, you need to wait. Nothing. So, for instance, if a candle does this, right? I know most of you understand this, but if a candle closes like that, that is your entry point, right? Like this. This is your entry. But if the candle did this and it wicked and it came down, right? That's not a candle closure above. There's no confirmation of anything, right? It doesn't matter, right? So people always ask, which time frame do you use? I'm just going to let you know, there is no best time frame to trade on, okay? There is no best time frame for waiting for the break above. However, since I'm a day trader and we're trading this based on quick gains, right? That's what we're trying to do as day traders. We're not holding this overnight or anything. I like to use 5 minute. It gives me enough confirmation, okay? It's not the best time frame. There are other time frames you can use. However, for me, I like to use the 5 minute. If you want, people also like to use the 1 minute, right? But it is higher risk due to less confirmation because there's only 1 minute of confirmation that it's closed above. But if you get a full 5 minute candle closure above, right? There's more confirmation that the price will go up. So that's it. So I like to use 5 minute, right? So I hope that helps. Right, when in the demand zone. So you are correct in that sense, Dean, with the demand zone. However, the idea is with this is simply what my question was is what do you do when you enter if it breaks a downtrend, or how do you enter it, right? So technically speaking, yes, it could be in the demand zone. You can look for entry, but for this example, it's if the candle closes above the downtrend, that's when you look for an entry. So whenever I post this kind of chart, all you need to do is wait for the candle to close above the downtrend. If it closes above, that's where you can look for your entries, right? So that's why I let you guys decide when to enter, because sometimes people like to enter before or after, but just to give you the overall trend, right? Break 0.33. It just depends, right? That's why I never say a point above a certain level, because look, the stock can reject right here, okay? And it can come all the way down here, and then it'll only break over here at 0.32 instead of all the way up here at 0.34, right? So it's literally just waiting for the downtrend break. That's it. When it breaks high highs, high lows, that just indicates uptrend. What time frame needs close? Yeah, I just mentioned Elliott wave, shallow W. I don't really use the Elliott wave. I know Hassie does though. Thanks, Jack, bro. Appreciate it, man. Just trying to help you guys understand what I'm trying to talk about on my page on Twitter, because I know some people do get confused. We have 100 people in here and we only have 20 likes. Come on, guys. You must be learning something at least to give us a couple likes. Come on, we need at least 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. KXIN. What's happening to KXIN? There is no reason for KX. So KXIN, simple chart. If it breaks the downtrend on the 5 minute, you can look for entry. You can wait for the 1 minute if you want, but nothing else. Wait for downtrend break. right? So you'll see a lot of times I just say wait for downtrend break, wait for downtrend break, because that's all you need to do. If you can wait for that, then you're chilling, right? Chilling. PCSA. Did someone ask me on Twitter about this? I think one of you guys did. Oh yeah, 205 needed. This was 205. Yeah, 205 needed on this. Get the 4 hour up. So 205 is your key level. But I heard there's cancer news or something, which is obviously good news, but I don't trade based off how good the news is, bad news, whatever, it doesn't matter. I just look at the volume and trade that. Needs 205. I will go through some other movers and see what's going on, because I'm just going through some stuff. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Ruben, bro. Thank you. I swear you get asked. Yeah, I do. I get asked a lot. Right, what time frame? Everyone who has time to post a ticket can surely click like. That's correct. I'm going to make sure. I'm going to see who liked it. I need to get something that can tell me who liked it. 46 likes. Come on, guys. We go more. Everyone has time. Like this man. Give the man. Major and minor resistance and support zones. Yeah. The day trade gods need to help BNRG break this downtrend. BNRG. What's good volume? Good volume are all the top gainers. These plays right here. And also you can just simply go into the stocks and see if they are above their average volume. If a stock is above average volume, that obviously means buyers are stepping in. It means that there is a high probability that people are trying to buy the stock to push it up. That is most likely what happens. BNRG, yeah, BNRG nothing, bro. You need downtrend break. 1.25 maybe. Are meme stocks still the trend for this month? Absolutely not. Well, not right now. There's nothing going on. There's nothing going on with GameStop, AMC. It's only whatever the kitty guy tweets. So I'm not interested in the meme stocks. I just post on my Twitter because I know a lot of people, my followers, are basically day traders like myself, and a lot of them do like to trade these stocks. So I just help them out based on technical analysis. It means no means at all doesn't mean that I'm in a stock. Members in the Discord know we don't trade those stocks at all. If they do, it's just kind of lotto plays. But I literally just trade based on the top movers, the top gainers. The page is right there, the Weeble one, top gainers. I use that every single morning to look for my trade setups. That's all I really do, to be honest. Right, let's see what's happening. PCSA, nothing. Akin, nothing. CNMD, nothing. Pixie. Pixie needs to pick it up. It needs to pick it up, to be honest. QSG, yeah, nothing on QSG. I'm not interested in this stock. It's down. I'm just going to delete all my watch list. Done nothing. This one, not really interested either. I mean, I'll just keep it here since it is over $1. Something that I can trade, hopefully. But it's just consolidating in this demand zone here, as you can see. Ideally, you wanted to hold this into open. Shows that buyers are holding this area and likely to push it up. So right now, no reason to be entering it. I would just wait because the volume is dying. How can you notice that? Look at the size of the candles. Low volume, small candles. High volume, large candles. Just as simple as that, right? Gun, nothing on this. I just have it on watch for one of the members. KWE, this was not good. I expected to push up after held that level. Kit's looking very, very good. So in my opinion, you can look for entries here now if you want to, because it's finding an area of support here. So it looks pretty good. So yeah, it's worth entries here, to be honest. Yes, it's before the downtrend break, but we are starting to see some volume. So yeah, Kit's worth entries now if you want to take it. Kit is worth entries. Right, TPET. This is an absolute monster. Ideally, I want to pull back to this level here. This is the most recent demand zone on the 5-minute chart. So you have here to here. This is your most recent demand zone. So I'll see if it comes down to this level. Unfortunately, it is not over $1, so I will not be trading it, but I will be giving setups for this for members. But yeah, this is a setup we might be taking near open. Near open. KWE, what are you saying? KWE, yeah, nothing on this, man. KWE, yeah, I don't know. It's nothing for me on this, unfortunately, yet. It needs to get back at $1. That's all I would really say. Losing volume. It's losing volume. It's losing volume. AISP. Let me see AISP. AISP, yeah, I will keep this on my watch because I know it is a former runner. What's happening on the larger time frame? 4 hours. It is trying to move. So we have here, but we have still this downtrend, right? So look, that's not a closure above. If the candle closes above that level, maybe you can consider some entries. But right now, I wouldn't be entering it yet. Just wait, just wait. If it does break above this, you have room all the way to 440. So it looks pretty good from there. So AISP needs downtrend break. This is a solid setup though. It needs a solid setup. Pixie 930. Pixie's looking good. This is also worth entries if you want to try. Pixie's looking good. Anyone in this thing? So let's see. Pixie looks good. I expect this one to run. Let's see, let's see, let's see. 57 likes. Come on, guys. We get more. Come on, come on, come on. CYN, CYN, CYN. Ooh, CYN. If it closes like this, good for entries. 3 minutes there. Let me look at something real quick. Where is this? Yeah, your next resistance is 0.15. Major resistance is here. 0.15 key resistance. Right now it's like trading in no man's land. So room to 0.15. That's kind of where your resistance level is. So it has clean range to there. SPFM. SPFM is absolutely nothing. Bearish. Stay away. SPM. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Just saving you guys time. Is Kit still good? Yes, Kit is still good. Whatever you have a maximum 5-7% stop loss. That's what I would do. Just gave a link for the badass work. A like. Let's go. Let's go. AISP is looking good. PCSA. PCSA is looking pushing up as well. Yeah, closure above VWAP is key. 181 closure above, and that is your entry point. That is your entry point. Let me see. Let me see. What else is moving here? SPCB. SPCB. I don't know. This one did break out, I think. Yeah, there's just lack of volume on this. This has no volume. So all I would do is, the reason why I would not be looking at this is because you need to, if you're trying to enter this trade, you have to wait for this break above. Because right now, there's nothing going on. There's nothing. There's no volume. You're going to be sitting in this for a long time and you're going to be waiting. It's going to be frustrating. So here you need to wait for 0.2. That's all I would do. If it closes above 0.2 on SPCB, then you can enter. So SPC wait for 0.2 break above. Wait for 0.2 break above. EOSE. EOSE. EOSE, very bullish charts. This has range all the way to here. Look, clean range to this. You have clean range to 0.87. Nice. Clean range to 0.87. Thank you, no problem. I said SRFM. Relax. Relax. Don't do it. Everybody don't do it. Okay, you tell me if you want to take this trade, because I don't want to take it. SRFM. That is your chart. Okay, let's see what else going. Is Kid still good? KXI broken. Let's see. Where's KXIN? Yeah, but the volume's, I don't know. The volume's weird on this. Strange volume. I don't know. TPET, this looks good. 1 minute chart. Use the downtrend break. If it breaks above the downtrend, you can look for an entry. So here's your downtrend. Breaks above that, closure above, you can enter, which is 1 minute. You have 14 seconds. What's Kit doing? Kit's just chilling. Yes, I expect Kit to go up. Mentioned it 20 times. Is there a play you are eyeing for open? All these plays on the left. So I will tell you something. I do not buy at open. I wait at least 5 minutes, right? I would say even 10 for me to give an alert on the Discord. It's at least 20, 30, 40 minutes. It just depends. But I never ever entered open. It's impossible to know what will happen at open. It's extremely volatile. The plays that I'm watching are all of these on the left. The blue ones are above $1, orange is under $1. That is it. If I do look for any setups, I will wait and see what happens at open. But I have all of these at open now, right now, but when market opens, I might only have 5 or 6 of them. And then that's where I look for my entries. So I'm not really interested now on buying anything because it's just very volatile and very difficult to know what is going to happen, right? Okay, I'm going to head into the Discord. Hassie is away, so I will be extremely busy in the Discord. So yeah, if you guys want to join, I don't promote it on Twitter because I don't really like to do it too much. But if anyone wants to join, the link is here. It's over here. I know we have a few that joined. Please check your DMs for those who joined, and also just go to the start here section and just go over that. Make sure you also watch the intro video, please, because that will answer all your questions, right? I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you all for joining, guys. I really appreciate your time. Please, can you do me a favor and like up the stream before I head out? Let me just do the Sing chart before I leave. Sing, there is nothing on Sing. If you're trying to enter Sing, wait for this level. 0.24. 0.24 is your entry on Sing. So if it closes above 0.24, you can enter. Do not try and enter now. All right. Yep. Everybody, all 100 of you should be in Kitty. Thank me later. Peace out, guys.